Hi, I'm Matthias with MattBeth Construction, and if you're a business owner and you have many spaces, I could be talking to the operations manager at Pembroke Lakes Mall right now, or Florida Mall, or Aventura Mall, or any operations manager for any mall, or any business owner of a multi-location franchise. Uh, if you have to do any de-imaging, debranding, or decommissioning, um, we basically have come up with a solution for you on a per square foot basis. Any kind of debranding, decommissioning, or de-imaging typically means removing all the exterior signage, removing all the brand items that are inside the store, and returning the space back to a vanilla box, which is the way that you found it. And that's typically what the mall management requires of the brand when they're decommissioning or de-imaging or debranding a location. So this basically runs about $8 to $11 per square foot. Uh, so for a 2,000 square foot space, you're looking at about $18 to $22,000, and that will decommission your space. It'll get all your merchandise and material out of the space. It'll get all the brand imaging off, and it'll get all the walls turned back to white like a vanilla box, ready for the next customer. And that's what you need most, ready for the next customer.
MattBeth.